So to install the data analysis and solver toolpaks in Microsoft Excel 2016, first thing you have to do is click File, go down all the way to the bottom until you see Options right here at the very bottom. Then you're going to want to go to the Add-ins tab right here, and you're going to want to go right down here through this box, and there's different options, but you're going to want to click the Manage Excel Add-ins. And you don't want to press OK, you're going to want to press Go. So press Go. Right now I have these two checks on my Microsoft Excel because I already have them installed. But all you have to do, if you don't have these two checkboxes or these two boxes checked already, is click the box for the solver add-in in the analysis toolpak, then just press OK. And after you do that, the analysis tab right here, or the analysis section under the data tab, should show the solver in the data analysis tools, which allows you to have many more tools that you can use to analyze data and make decisions. And yeah, so I hope that helped. Please like, subscribe, comment, and have a great day.